The best text editors make it easy to code without formatting issues corrupting it. This is especially when most people new to programming learn the hard way that their first choice for coding causes problem with the code itself, such as not properly displaying formatting. At their heart, the best text editor shouldn't just be simple but also functional and good to work with. It doesn't matter whether you are coding with Linux on a Mac or a Windows PC. A text editor should be easy to use and do the job the way it was intended to be done. Whether you are a new web developer or an expert code junkie, you need a code editor robust enough to handle everything you can throw at it. Since this is an ongoing search for most relevant text editors for everyone in the field, I wanted to lay out some of the best options for you to integrate into your workflow. First in our list is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free editor which helps the programmer to write code, helps in debugging, and corrects the code using the IntelliSense method. In normal terms, it facilitates users to write the code in an easy manner. Many people say that it is help of an IDE and an editor, but the decision is up to the coder. Some of the features of Visual Studio Code are like autosave, live preview, collaboration, cross-platform, code source, debugger, multi-language support, Git support, built-in terminal. Till recent time, there is hardly been a text editor which has been so user-friendly. The coding-friendly feature and code error recognition also helps users a long way into making the code more efficient and errorless. Sublime Text Editor holds the second position in our list. The Sublime Text Editor is definitely one of our favorites. It offers a free version for testing. As for the features, Sublime Text has an advantage in that it's extremely lightweight but still keeps around some of the more advanced features you'll expect out of a top text editor. The primary benefit is that Sublime Text offers shortcuts and search tools for immediately finding certain functions and making changes to multiple lines at once. Jumping to specific symbols or words takes only a few seconds. Some of the features of Sublime Text are like auto-completion, syntax highlighting, beginner-friendly split editing, cross-platform support, package control, etc. Sublime has a lot of raving fans. The world's best text editor ever are dropped regularly online. The program is lightning fast, stable, and mature. In addition to that, with its modular approach and extendability, Sublime Text can be anything for anyone. The editor is suitable for developers of different skill levels and disciplines. Third in the list is Atom Text Editor. Atom, a project started by GitHub and thus now owned by Microsoft, has established itself as one of the premier code and text editors out there. The best part is that Atom is totally free, open source, and highly customizable. Built around a minimal core, Atom comes with multiple language-specific packages built in. Atom is as robust as you need it to be. If the editor doesn't do something you need, you can create the feature yourself. It does directly compete with Microsoft poster child VS Code, but they are maintaining both editors as the gesture of good faith to the communities surrounding it. Some of the features of Atom text editors are file system browser, teletype, fuzzy finder for quickly opening files, fast project-wide search and replace, multi-cursors and selections, cross-platform support. Atom is for you if you are a kind of person who likes to have your software be exactly what they want to be and exactly do what you want it to do. With the growing library of mods and add-ons, Atom is one of the most customizable code editors out there. It works great out of the box, but its real powers comes from the open source community around it and the almost infinite customization you can add to it yourself. Brackets takes the fourth position in the list. Brackets is another free and open source editor. This time, it's not only simply a community-driven project. Adobe itself is behind this one, as Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, and so on. Because of that, expect polish and power. Brackets is designed to be minimal and powerful. It does, however, offer some unique and useful features. One of those features being Extract, a tool which allows you to extract information such as colors, font, gradients, measurements directly from PSDs as the clean CSS for front-end developers working in a design agency who have to recreate pixel perfect styles from mock-ups. There may be no better tools for you. Some of the features of Brackets are auto-completion, syntax highlighting, beginner-friendly, constantly growing library of extensions, cross-platform support, Git integration, live preview, inline editors, etc. etc. Brackets is for you if you have already bought into the Adobe ecosystem. You will feel right at home if you have ever used any Adobe products regularly. Brackets feels like it is a part of a creative cloud, even though it is not. The UIs are similar and it feels very natural if you are coming from Photoshop or InDesign. Fifth in our list is Notepad++. Notepad++ is an extremely popular text editor. It is one of the best text editors around because it's simple. It doesn't try to be Atom or VS Code or Sublime Text. It is a code editor, plain and simple. Beginners and veterans can get everything they need out of it. Coders and developers often recommend this one as a great option for someone just getting into code editing and might be overwhelmed by the environment offered by others. Notepad++ is a wonderful, simple option not just for beginners but developers at any level. A lot of professional devs use Notepad++ as their daily driver because it's lightweight, effective, and does what it needs to do. Some of the features of Notepad++ are like auto-completion, syntax highlighting, search and replace feature, beginner-friendly UI and highly customizable, multi-language environment support, and it's one of the major drawback is its platform support. It is only supported in Windows. Notepad++ is for you if you are new to code editors and want to ease your way in. Additionally, if you want a resource light option, Notepad++ is it because of how simple and easy the developers made it. You are not going to lag down your system as you work. That means you might not be loading gigabytes of information at once, but for run-of-the-mill web development, tasks and so on, Notepad++ is more than enough. So if you are still confused about which text editor to choose, so here is my final recommendations for you. I recommend Sublime Text for heavy coders because it is lightweight with low resource usage. I recommend Atom for those people who want collaboration tool with the text editor. Here is a text editor with unique auto-completion and intelligence feature. Try out VS Code if it sounds interesting to you. Try out Brackets if you want to do some HTML and CSS stuff with slide previews and extensions. Consider Notepad++ if you are beginner or advanced. It is pretty decent and simple to use text editor. And the text editors that I am not able to include in the list are like Coda, Vim, Expresso, PHP Storm, WebStorm, and the list goes on and on. Try out these text editors also. Now that we have taken a look at some of the best text editors, share your thoughts in the comment below. Let us know if you have used any of these options and what your favorite feature is.